I am Dr. Vasiki Devi Ramachandran, Associate Professor, Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology, Faculty of Arts and Science, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Course name is Immunology. Course code U18MCMI 502. Topic Tolerance and Autoimmunity. What is immune regulations? A defense in any arm of the immune system can trigger autoimmunity. The immune system is divided into two types. One is innate immunity and acquired immunity. The innate immunity is complement. Acquired immunity is again it is divided into cell mediated immunity and humoral immunity. Cell mediated immunity is T cells, humoral immunity is B cells. Next, the disorders of the immune system. The first one is immunodeficiency, that is too little. Hypersensitivity, too much. Autoimmunity, that is misdirected. These are the autoimmunity. Autoimmunity origins. Horror autotoxis, that is literally the horror of self toxicity, a term coined by the German immunologist the Paul Ehrlich 1854 to 1915 to describe the body's innate aversion to immunological self destruction. Autoimmunity is the failure of an organism in recognizing its own constitute part of as non-self, which allows an immune response against its own cells and tissues. Any disease that results from such an aberrant immune response is termed an autoimmune disease. The autoimmunity is often caused by a lack of germ development of a target body, and as such, the immune response acts against its own cells and tissues. Autoimmune diseases. A group of 60 to 80 chronic inflammatory diseases with genetic predispositions and environmental modulation. Then prevalence of 5% to 8% in US. The prevalence is greater for females than males. 75% of cases. The fourth largest disease class in women. The self, non-self discriminations. No response, that is self. In non-self or foreign, that is a strong response. Autoimmunity basically means the immunity to self, that is autoimmunity. A condition that occurs when the immune system mistakenly attack and destroys healthy body tissues. What is tolerance? Mechanisms to protect from potentially self reacting lymphocytes. Central tolerance, that is in primary lymphoid organs, that is BM and thymus. Peripheral tolerance, that is secondary lymphoid tissue. That is central tolerance, that is a lymphoid precursors, that is a newly emerged clone of lymphocytes, and it is exposure to self antigen during development, bone marrow or thymus as a um, depicted here, and maturation of clones not as specific for self antigen, it is present in primary lymphoid organs, and maturation of clones that suppress self antigen recognition, that is regulatory cells, and deletion of lymphocytes specific for self antigen present in, that is a generative organs. This is the central tolerance. Mechanism of central tolerance, that is a negative regulation by apoptosis and receptor editing, antigen receptor gene rearrangement. The peripheral tolerance, that is a mature lymphocytes, here bind foreign antigen, that is activate of effector cells against foreign antigen. That is mature lymphocytes, that is a bind self antigen, apoptosis and regulations and energy. And peripheral tolerance, that is a deletion, that is energy or regulation of lymphocytes that can recognize self antigens in peripheral tissues. The mechanism of peripheral tolerance, that is a ignorance, that is a never encounter cell, that is a self antigen. The NRE, that is unresponsiveness, that is self-reactive T cell interact with APC but co-stimulatory signal blocked. That is immunomodulatory molecules like CTLA4 binding instead of CD28 on T cells. The phenotypic seeking, that is after activation via APC, that is with self antigen, non-phagocytic cytokines release. The activated self-reactive T cells, that is regulation of fast ligand apoptosis. The regulatory T cells, that is a T recognized cells, can down regulation self reactions T cells by the IL-10 and TGFB. That is a sequence actions and self antigen, that is a lens protein. This is a thymus. Look at the diagram. There is a TN recognition cell the that is suppress reaction to self antigen. Here that is a low affinity of self antigen and thymocyte and intermediate affinity for self antigen and up regulations of FOXP3 apoptosis and T cells and T, that is NT recognition cells and NT recognition cell suppress reaction to self antigen. Antigens can be tolerant or immunogens. That is stimulatory molecules play an important role. Tolerance is antigen specific. Failure of tolerance, that is next to the autoimmunity, that is failure to tolerance to protect host from self-reacting lymphocytes, destruction of self protein cells and organs by autoantibodies or self-reactive T cells, and 3% to 8% of individuals in the that is in the world. The factors responsible for promoting tolerance: high dose of antigen, persistence of antigens, and the route of administration and adjuvants, low level of co-stimulators, and presentation of antigen by immature or unactivated antigen presenting cells, AP cells. Causes of autoimmunity, that is autoimmune diseases, that is genes and environment and immune regulation plays a vital role for autoimmunity disease. Mechanisms, that is hypothesis to be involved in the breakdown of tolerance. So what are those things? Failure to delete autoreactive lymphocytes and central tolerance failure and peripheral tolerance failure and molecular failure and molecular mimicry, then abnormal presentation of self antigen, that is aberrant expression of major histocompatibility complex. Class 2 molecules, coupling of self and non-self antigen, overprotection of self antigen, disclosure of, that is a cryptic T cell epitopes, and release of sequence cell antigen, self antigens, epitope spreading, and polyclonal lymphocyte activation. Altogether, autoimmunity may be due to immunological, genetic, viral, drug-induced, and hormonal mechanisms. Number of immunological mechanisms, that is all leading to abnormal B or T cell protection. Most instance diseases by multiple mechanism, difficulty in Rx. Some autoimmune diseases may have a genetic component and are triggered by external factors. Example, infection or injury. Others are probably strictly that is caused by external factors. Example, infection or injury. Genetic factors, that is infection and environmental exposure. Finally, immune regulation and autoimmunity. Mechanism, that is antigenic alternation, sequenced antigen, cross-reacting foreign antigen, molecular mimicry, polyclonal activation of B cell, and perforatin clones, alter T or B cell function. Antigenic alternations, that is neoantigen formation, physical irritations and photosensitivity, cold allergy, and a chemical drug induced anemia, leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia. The biological injury, that is a viral infection, that is infectious mononucleosis, etc., that is intracellular pathogens. Sequenced antigens, the sequenced antigen, self antigen present in closed system not accessible to immune system. Then lens proteins and immunological tolerance not established during fetal life. Then penetrating injury, leak of that is the lack of lens protein immune response, that is injury to other eye. The sequenced antigen, this is firm antigen, that is a puberty. The mumps damage to BM, that is a geminiferous tubulus, and immuno response, it's a archic. The cross-reacting foreign antigen, that is similarly, that is B for W, some foreign and self antigen. That is individual nerve tissue damage, that is anti-rabies immunization of human with neural vaccine of infected sheep brain. And staphylococcus, the M protein, heart MS heart damage. That is neobatogenic strains, staphylococcus GN. Molecular mimicry. This is identical peptide sequence in epitopes B for W microorganisms of self antigen. Next, HLA-B27, that is the arthrotogenic strain of S. flexinaria, and joint membrane M. tuberculosis, and myocardium, that is Coxicia B virus. The next, rheumatoid fever is a classic example for molecular mimicry. That is here that is a group A, that is a strep present in throat infection, expresses large amount of M protein. Then the second one is the large amount of IgG produced against M protein in Staphylococcus, Staph, and antibody against M protein can bind to molecules on cardiac cells that are very similar to M protein. And the antibody induced injury to heart valves and sarcolemma. The polyclonal activation of B cells. The antigen corresponding B cell activation, polyclonal activation of B cells, chemical 2-ME, bacterial product PPB, LPS, and the enzyme trypsin, antibiotic nystatin, infections, mycoplasma, EBV, and malaria. And for certain clones, the breakdown of immunological hemostasis lead to, that is the cessation of tolerance and emergence of perfected clone of compartment cells immune response against self antigen, infections of self antigen with Friedland's adjuvants. The altered T or B cell functions, that is enhanced helper T cells, and decreases suppressor T cell functions, and defect in thymus and stem cell development, macrophage function, that is idiotype, that is anti-idiotype network defects. The body parts that can be affected by autoimmune diseases in most of the cases. It's a very common case. For example, what are the organs affected, body parts will affected to get the autoimmune diseases? Brain, eyes, mouth, spinal cord, thyroid, lung, stomach, joints, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, bladder, and vagina. And others, glands, muscles, nerves, trachea, blood and blood vessels, heart, skin, esophagus, liver, kidney, uterus, ovary, and cervix. The autoimmunity classifications can be classified into clusters that are either organ specific or systemic. Organ specific autoimmune diseases, that is a type 1 diabetic mellitus, and systemic autoimmune diseases is a rheumatoid arthritis, and there is organ specific is a good Factor syndrome, and systemic that is autoimmune disease, there is a scleroderma, and organ specific autoimmune, there is a multiple sclerosis. In systemic autoimmune diseases, that is a systemic lumps erythematosus, that's a primary Sjogren syndrome, that is a polymyositis. Then in organ-specific autoimmune diseases, it is Graves' diseases, that is Hashimoto, that is thyroiditis, and autoimmune, that is pernicious anemia, and autoimmune Addison's disease, and vitiligo. Major examples for that, the prominent examples including, that is a colic disease and diabetic mellitus type 1, and systemic lumps erythematosus, and Sjogren syndrome, Sirkset syndrome, and Hashimoto thyroiditis, and Graves' disease, and idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, and rheumatoid arthritis, that is RA, and allergies. The autoimmunity can affect, that is any organ or organ system in the human body, that is multiple sclerosis, and pemphigus, and Goodpasture syndrome, diabetes, Addison's disease, that is ulceration disease, and autoimmune uveitis, and Sjogren syndrome, and rheumatoid fever, that is autoimmune hepatitis, and autoimmune hepatitis, and rheumatoid arthritis. The autoimmune, yeah, there is endocrine diseases, autoimmune endocrine diseases, that is thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, gonads, and pituitary. Thyroid, that is Hashimoto's disease, that is autoantibodies against thyroid peroxidase. Primary, that is myxedema, that is atrophy of the thyroid. Graves' disease, Autoantibodies against TSHR, pancreas, type 1 diabetics, adrenal, that is Addison disease, that is a chronic endocrine disorder, adrenal gland, and produce insufficient steroid hormones. Autoimmune, there's gonads, autoimmune arthritis and inflammation of the ovaries, and autoimmune arthritis, that is that testicular pain that is involving swelling, inflammation, and infection. The primary, that is a lymphocytic that is hypocytis, low production of one or more hormones by the primary pituitary gland due to the autoantibody and autoimmunity. This is the six differences in autoimmunity. That is the pink color indicates that is a female, the blue color is male. Hemocytolytic autoimmune disease, that is autoimmune hemolytic anemia, that is a cold auto anemia, and IgM antibody, that is agglutinated RBC at 4 degrees centigrade following syphilis 1 degree, that is atypical pneumonia, malaria, and trypanosomiasis. Then warm auto, yeah, that is antigen antibody. The antibody non-agglutinating, that is a drug. The sulfamide antibiotic alpha, that is methyl dopa. Then RBC coated with that is the antibody that is destroyed in spleen. The hemocytolytic autoimmune disease, that is autoimmune thrombocytopenia, ITP, and autoimmune leukopenia, that is non-accumulating, that is anti-leukocyte antibody serum of patient with SLE or RA. These are the diseases and syndrome and how it has happened. The Hashimoto disease, that is enlargement of thyroid, that is hypothyroidism, or the frank myedema, that is granular structure replacement with lymphoid tissues in that is antibody to thyroglobulin, that is acinar coiled microsomes antigen thyroid cell surface component. The thyrotoxosis, it is increased hormones. The IgA antibody to thyroid membrane antigen act as long-acting thyroid stimulator. And Addison disease in here, not here, that is lymphatic infiltration of adrenal or circulating antigen zone glomerular. And autoimmune arthritis, it is mumps, that is lymphatic infiltrations of testes and circulating antibody to sperm and germinal cells. And myasthenia gravis, thyroid lymphoid, that is hyperplasia, that is a numerous germinal center, and antigen ACK receptors is a myoneural junction of striated Mr. that is Mrs. impairment and Mrs. contractions, and autoimmune diseases is eyes, that is phago, that is aneurysms, and cataract, that is that is extraocular inflammation, and systematic ophthalmia performing injury to one eye, and pernicious anemia, that is antibody to, that is parental cells in the gastric that is a mucosa, that is azilorhizia, that is atrophic gastritis, and that is antibody to, that is insects factors, that is vitamin B12. Autoimmune disease of nerve system, that is a neuroparalytic accident and a following nervous vaccine rapid GPS, that is a idiopathic, that is a polyneuropathitis, and autoimmune disease of the skin, that is pemphigus, that is vulgaris, antibody to intracellular adhesion protein, and desmoglein, and pullus, that is pemphicoid antigen, and dermatoepithelial junctions in antibody in dermatitis and uh, herpetiformis. Examples of systemic autoimmunity, that is in gens, it is pleural effusions and heart problems and lumps, nephritis and arthritis and rhinoid phenomena. And another one is symptoms of systemic lumps erythromatosis and may vary widely with the individuals. That is a systemic lumps, that is a erythromatosis, that is a SLE. It is a chronic multi-system inflammatory disease with that is a protein manifestations and remitting course, and the clinical manifestations is the musculoskeletal, joint and muscular pain, and dermatological, it is a molar rash, and renal, it is a glomerulonephritis, and a female to male ratio is 9:1. The etiology is unknown. That is a genetics, race, hormones, and environment. SLE, that is a biological false and positive STS, and a variety of autoantibody nuclei and tetracytoplasmic cell components and thyroid and other organs. That is a LE cell neutrophils containing LE bodies, a large well, that homogeneous body, almost filling cytoplasm, that is anti-nuclear antibody ANA, sensitive but not specific. There is a pattern is a homogenesis, peripheral and spectrals and nuclear, anti-DNA, that is AB, DS, SS, and both anti-DS, DNA, AB, and anti-SM, antibody specific for SLE. Example for systemic autoimmunity, that is Johansson syndromes. Look at this. And the rheumatoid arthritis particularly affect the small joints of the hands and feet. This is a typical rheumatoid joint, that is deformities in the hand. There is wasting of the small muscles of the hand, swelling of the trasophallogeal joint, and the small subcutaneous noodle, that is the nodules on the little finger. The fingernail clumping is characteristics of the pulmonary fabric from which this patient also suffered. The clinical features, that is onset, that is insidious, and main symptoms is a pain, that is stuffiness and walking and following inactivity. Other symptoms, it is fatigue and lethargy and low grade fever and weight loss, progressive decline. The complex disease and genetics. Here there have been, that is a numerous disease associated genes or disease, that is susceptibility genes linked to autoimmunity, that is association with HLA serotype with susceptibility to autoimmune disease. The disease, that is HLA allele, relative risk, and sex ratio, male and female. That is ankylosing, that is spondylitis, that is actually it's B27, then relative risk at 87.4, and sex ratio 0.3. And acute anterior utilities and 27, B27, 10 and less than 0.5. And a good Bachelor syndrome, that is a DR2, and 15.9 in relative risk, and mine approximately 1 for sex ratio. And multiple sclerosis, that is actually R2, and relative risk for 4.8, and sex ratio 10. And Graves' disease is a DR3 for HLA alleles and 3.3, that is a relative risk, and sex ratio 4.5. The complement deficiencies, that is CD59 or CD55, that is paroxysmal, that is nocturnal, that is hemoglobinuria, and autoimmune hemolytic anemia, autoimmune thrombocytopenia, and lumps, lymphopenia, and deficiencies in the classical complement pathway, that is a tenders points more likely be develop immune complex uh, disease, that is SLE and RA. The complement CISA, it is a complement system, is a mediator in both the pathogenesis and prevention of immune complex disease. It has a protective effect when they functioning in moderation against pathogens. At the same time, the inflammation promoted by complement activation can result in the cellular damage when not kept in check. Sex-based differences in autoimmunity, that's the differences can be traced to sex hormones. Difference is in immune response, that is sex hormones. The hormones circulate throughout the body and alter immune response by influencing the gene expression. Difference in immune response is produce a higher titer of antibody and amount more vigorous immune responses than female. Male, the female have a slightly higher cortisol secretion than male, and female have higher level or CD4, that is T cells, and serum IgM. Pregnancy, that during this pregnancy time, that is more of the Th2 like response. The changes in hormones create an anti-inflammatory environment, high cortisol level, and this is enhanced by Th2 like responses, or that is exhausted, and a disease that involve inflammatory response or suppressed, and the fetal cells can be persist in a mother blood, or the mother cells may appear in the fetus, then can as a result in autoimmunity if the fetal cells amount an immune response in the mother body via vice versa. Diagnosis, general test, and C-reactive protein, autoantibody titer, and anti-DNA, and antiphospholipid, etc. Presence of rheumatoid factors, disease-specific test, that is a neurological exam, MS, fasting glucose, diabetics. Treatment, anti-inflammatory, inflammatory drug, that is corticosteroid, immunosuppressant drug, that is methotrexate, and radiations, plasmapheresis, cell blocking reagent, the ACD20 and ACD3, and cytokine blocking reagents. Current therapies, that is a immunosuppression drug, that is a corticosteroid, azathioprine, and slow for the proliferation of lymphocytes, that is cyclosporin A, black signal transactions mediated by the that is TCR, that is inhibit only against activated T cells while sparing non-activated one, and thymectomy, that is a removal of thymus from patient with myasthenia graves, and plasmapheresis, it is a removed against antibody complex for the short-term reduction in symptoms. Thank you.